Here are some pictures which I generated using OpenAI and R. So let's get started and see how we can do that also. Before we start programming, we would have to go to OpenAI website and create a login and then also create an API key. Once you have the API key, then we can start on our programming bits. And I'm using the OpenAI library, which you will have to install, and then you provide your OpenAI key. And once you do that, you have to store that in a system environment variable, which I'm doing it by this command. And then I'm also seeing whether it's been saved or no using the get environment command. Now we are ready to create our image. So how do we create our image? Images are being created by the OpenAI create_image command. And of course, you have to provide a description which helps you to generate your file. And the response comes back as a URL. So once I ran that command, it gave back an output URL, and the output URL, let's see the structure of that. So it has a list field, which has a data frame, and then under the data frame, we have a URL. So this is how it looks like: output URL.data.url. This is the actual field where you would actually get your URL of the image which has been generated by the OpenAI. So let's see that. I'm just going to use that, and then I'll try to copy this URL. It's a big URL, and then I'll go and paste it up in the browser. So what happened was, when I copied the URL, it had the quotes at both the sides, which I had to remove. And once I removed the quote, it was all good. We can see the image. Now, there would be a better way also. So instead of copying and pasting, I can use the browse URL command and then directly pump that URL in a browser window. And here we go. We have some examples which I created earlier, which I showed you earlier also. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.